Today on the Titan, I pulled the throttle body off and drilled a small hole in it. We're going to try and fix the cold start issue where you have to hold the throttle down. The recommended size was 3/16. I went one size smaller, I believe it is. So 11/64 is what I drilled my hole. I used a punch and 2 sizes of drill bits to get to 11/64. It would be better if you could actually remove the butterfly and do it on a drill press. I didn't. I tried taking these screws out and they were in pretty good. I was stripping them, taking them out, so I left them and did it in the throttle body. If you do that, be very careful that you get all the shavings out from your drilling. I cleaned it up after, washed it out with some throttle body cleaner. We'll put this back in and try it out. So just an update after I put the hole in the throttle body plate. I did get a P0507 idle control code soon after. I cleared that and it hasn't come back in about a week of driving. So I think the ECU has corrected itself, and also the cold starting is a lot better. The temperature here isn't that cold yet, but I was having trouble starting at about 20 degrees Celsius. It's been down to about 10 degrees Celsius and it's definitely starting better at those temperatures. Let's fire it right now. So it normally wouldn't have started like that. It would have just died before I put the hole in the throttle body.